number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat.
Okay guys, so that is it for the final try on haul. To be honest, I do like this purse with this outfit, but not with these boots. I want some brown boots and I haven't got them yet, so that's my next goal. In my opinion, I think this purse goes great with this outfit, but not so much with the boots. But again, I would still rock it. That's just me. I would still rock this purse with the boots regardless because it does flow really nicely with the outfit. But I would switch with the boots. I would probably wear like a nice little pink or chocolate brown boots just so that way to get that tone-on-tone effect with the skirt. And then this bag would be perfect. Okay guys, so let me know what you think about the outfits. I told you I won't steer you wrong. I am not new to this. I am true to this. Thank you for rocking with me guys. The journey continues, so stay tuned. Toodles.